Hi parents, welcome to Secrets of Parenting. So I will be sharing an important secret today, and that is about the relationship between parents and the teachers. Most of the times the students do not respect teachers. You know what is the reason? The reason is parents. Many times what happens, पेरेंट्स को अनइंटेंशनली या अननोइंगली टीचर्स के बारे में नेगेटिव बोल देते हैं और वो भी बच्चों के सामने. You know, remember this, it is very important for you to respect the teachers because your children sees you and learns from you. And remember, your children are going to learn most of the times with the teachers. And if you say the teacher don't know anything, they are going to keep this thing in their mind. And they are not going to respect the teachers, and moreover they are not going to respect anyone in this world. So please make sure that you also respect teachers and don't use any kind of foul language about teachers in front of the kids. And even the same thing happens with the kids. If husband don't respect the wife, or if wife don't respect the husband, if they don't treat them good, the same thing goes with the child also. If a husband is not treating wife properly, then the same thing goes with the kids also. The kid also keeps this thing in their mind और ये आगे जाकर रिपीट होने लगेगा. आप एज अ हस्बैंड आपके वाइफ को जिस तरह से देखते हैं, आपके बच्चे उनके वाइफ को भी उसी नज़र से उसी हिसाब से देखने वाले. आई मीन they are going to respect them or not, that is decided by you if you are respecting your wife. And the same thing goes with the husband. So basically we need to be very careful while handling with the kids, what kind of impression we are keeping in their minds. Moreover, all these impressions are going to be with them for lifelong. And once these seeds, once this impression is there in their mind, we cannot remove it. So please parents, take care, respect the teachers, respect the family members, respect each other, husband and wife, because your kids are watching you, your kids are learning from you. You are Bible, you are Quran, and you are Bhagavad Gita for them. And what you say is not important, but what you do is important, because children don't learn the habits, but they catch the habits. Whatever you're doing it, your child is going to repeat it. So this is the biggest parenting secret. I hope this point is very clear to you. So be careful. Your child is watching you 100% every time, every day. Thank you so much.